जायरा और सुहानी, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूंगा, जैसे आमिर आमिर साहब ने बताया, इतना लंबा प्रोसेस, पूरी जगह ऑल ओवर इंडिया कास्टिंग के लोग ढूंढ रहे थे, खोज रहे थे जो ये किरदार निभा सकें। जब आप दोनों को ये पहली बार पता चला, गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्शन हाउस confirming that you are part of it, what was your first reaction and how your family responded to this?
I'll tell you what my mother said to me. So I got back from school, and this is before I had gone for the audition. I just got a call from the casting people, and they called कि ऐसे एक movie है, उसके audition है, and I didn't know any of this. And I came back home from school, and as I enter the room, I see my mother sitting in front of me, and she's just looking at me. She's not saying anything. She's just looking at me like this. Okay, so the one who casted us, he's Mukesh Chhabra. So she told me that someone from his office called. And I was like, okay. And then she was like, audition ke liye bula hai. I was like, okay. Then she said, Aamir Khan ke sath movie hai. And again, she gave me this look. Do you deserve this? And I was taken aback for a while, and it took me some time to come to the fact, okay, fine, I have been called. So I went there, and as I entered the room, I see people. I saw some 20 or some other, I don't know, a lot of girls were sitting there. And I was like, नहीं हो पाएगा, कोई chance नहीं है. But somehow मैंने audition दिया, वो बहुत लंबा चला. और फिर आई गॉट बैक होम, उसके कुछ 1-2 महीने तक कोई कॉल नहीं आया, एंड आई हैव गिवन अप कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. बट व्हेन दे एक्चुअली कॉल्ड मी एंड टोल्ड मी दैट ओके फाइन, यू आर द वन वी हैव कास्टेड, आई आस्क्ड देम 5 times, आर यू श्योर? हैव आई बीन शॉर्टलिस्टेड और हैव आई बीन एक्चुअली कास्टेड फॉर दिस? सो दैट्स हाउ द जर्नी बिगैन.
सुहानी.
So actually, first I gave an audition in Delhi because I am from Delhi. So I gave an audition there. So after that, when I came out, my mother said, कैसा हुआ? मैंने बोला, मम्मा मैंने अपना बेस्ट दे दिया है, बस बाकी तो सब भगवान के ऊपर है. And then my mother was regularly asking father कि कॉल आया. Then one day, seriously, the production guy called and he said, your daughter has been shortlisted and you have to go to Bombay. And I was really surprised and I was so happy. I thanked to God and I was really happy. And then we had some scenes with Aamir sir at Mukesh Chhabra's office. So there also I was really excited and I was really, like I had never worked with someone so perfectionist and so much of skill. And
बेड़ा कर दिया इसने.
नहीं, but it was very difficult. So now actually then they finally told that you have been casted to this, and it's an honor and it's a pleasure working with such a great actor.
Suhani ma'am.
Hello.
Hello Suhani ma'am. My name is also Suhana and my papa called me Suhani also, so I like Suhani only. So my question is, ये आपने इतना सब कुछ कैसे किया, ये running and all you do how?
Actually, we were in Bombay, 6 months training, and all the credit goes to our trainers who have, बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने हमें train किया है. So, as I was saying that they have trained us very well, and we have really worked hard. So, I just wanted to thank Mukesh sir and Aamir sir for just giving us this opportunity so that we can prove ourselves to everyone. Thank you.
बेटा मेरा आप दोनों से सवाल है, दोनों बच्चों से. ऑन सेट कैसे थे आमिर खान साहब आप दोनों के साथ? उन्होंने कान बंद कर लिया, अब आप बता सकते हैं दोनों. स्ट्रिक्ट थे?
नहीं.
क्या खूबी आपने पाई इनके अंदर? क्या
लाइक एज वो अपने रोल में थे हानिकारक बापू, बट बिहाइंड द सीन्स ही वाज जस्ट अपोजिट टू दैट. सो ही वाज वेरी केयरिंग, वेरी सपोर्टिंग, एंड किसी भी पॉइंट पे ऐसा नहीं लगा दैट ही इज यू नो लाइक very rude or acting as an actor. So he was very nice to everyone on the crew, everyone. Not a single person would feel, you know, like isolated or anything, but he was very nice to everyone, and he's very encouraging, I would
And
say.
even if he's Hanikarak, there's a reason to it.
रीजन क्या था वो?
नहीं, मतलब मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन भी अच्छी एक्टिंग करता हूँ.
आमिर आपसे एक और सवाल है कि अच्छा आप बोलिए प्लीज.
That only. अगर वो हानिकारक है, there's a reason to it. He has a point. और वो हमारी betterment के लिए ही हानिकारक है.
आमिर
Wants his
Hello.
kids to rise, no? So for that.